I was tutoring a third grader in math, and he has a little bit of ADHD or dyslexia, and he often does the wrong operation. He was confusing adding with multiplying. And so, just for fun, I wrote down a bunch of problems where it didn't matter if he added or multiplied, and so he could try both ways. And the first thing that immediately came to mind was 2 plus 2. And then it dawned on me that if you add 1.5 to 3, it's like multiplying by 1.5. And while he was doing those two problems, I was quickly trying to solve when this happens. If you want x times y to equal, this is obviously beyond him, but hopefully if I'm still working with him in a few years, I hope to show him this little trick for finding all the pairs of numbers that it works for. So you got x times y, you want it to equal x plus y. Let's solve for y here. Xy minus y is equal to x, you factor it, x minus 1, y is equal to x, and therefore y equals x over x minus 1. So if x equals 4, you could do 4 over 3, which is 1 1/3. And 5, you could do 5 over 4. And he thought it was just magic that I kept coming up with these numbers where either one could work. And he got to feel good for a moment that it didn't matter if he misread. And then just for fun, I wanted to show him all the numbers it would work. And so on Desmos, if you just put x times y equals x plus y, it will literally give you all the solutions, including negative numbers. So for -2, you got -2 plus 2/3 is the same thing as -2 times 2/3. -3 times 3/4 is the same thing as plus, although he's not up to negative numbers just yet. Hopefully he'll find coping strategies to avoid misreading operations. So maybe by the time he's studying algebra, he'll have forgotten that he ever had this problem. So maybe I won't get a chance to show him that. But sometimes you get lucky in life, right? Just like sometimes you meet somebody and you have a good time on your first date, but it turns out to be a good partner anyway, right? It kind of reminds me of that, right?